All right, this is the demo on making a contact sheet. So down at the bottom, we're going to use Adobe Bridge. And before you get into Bridge, you want to make sure that you have all your pictures that you want in the contact sheet in one folder. That's very important. I'm going to click on Folders, this PC. For some reason it works better that way. Folders, this PC. And I'm going to go to the J drive. I'm going to find Gale. And my folder's in here. And there are my pictures. Now I want to select all of these for my contact sheet. So I'm going to click on the first one. And then on the keyboard I'm going to hold down the Shift button, S-H-I-F-T. I'm going to hold that down. I'm going to click the last button. That's going to select all of the pictures that I want in my contact sheet. I don't want the Word document. I wonder if I can. And then click on Output. There you go. Now you can see my pictures are down at the bottom. I'm going to drag all of them up, but I don't want this Word document here. So I'm going to do these four first. I'm going to click on the first one, hold down Shift, click on the last one, and bring them up. And then I'm going to click on the first one here, hold down Shift, last one, and bring those up as well. Alright, so now I have 9 pages of my pictures that I took. Now I don't want them that large, and I don't want 9 sheets of paper. So over here on the right hand side, the template, we're going to custom the template. The page size, I don't know what that even means, so we'll just leave it. Centimeters, you're going to need to change it to inches. That's going to be really important. Change that to inches and it should change 8.26 by 11.69. That's fine. Background color is white. Resolution is 300. That's fine. We do want to include the file name. No, we don't. We don't need to see the file name on this one, so I'm going to unclick that. So those are all the settings in the document. No file name, inches, 8 by 11, and then I'm going to click on this little arrow to hide it. Now under grids and margins, I want, let's see, I think I have about 40 pictures. Columns, let's have 4 columns. Now let's do 5 columns. 5 columns by 5 by 6, not 46. How about 5 by 8? That should be about 40. Let's see if that works. There, that looks pretty good. That got all of my pictures on one sheet. 5 columns by 8 rows. Looks pretty good. Is that what I said? 5 columns, 8 rows. Yep. And I don't have the file name, which is just fine. Header and footer, you don't need to click anything under here, watermark, nothing like that. So then when you have your settings and it looks good, you export PDF. And you are going to export your contact sheet. You're going to go into the J drive, kind of get used to going there. Gale. You're going to go into your hour, but I'm just going to go right in my folder, and I'm going to call this E and P. Actually, this is just my elements. Contact sheet. And press save. It should say PDF and save. Let's see what it does. There you go. That's how you want a contact sheet to look. Now sometimes we do have a file name underneath, like the 16 portrait tips, you'll have a file name under them. But for some, we just want to see that you've taken pictures you've done the work, and so that's what a contact sheet is. Once you have this generated, you can close it. You can close the Bridge program, and you're going to go into our Schoology page and submit it. And that's it.